up guys? On today's video we will be doing how to fill an order on Etsy. So some friends asked me to show them this part, so I decided to make on YouTube so they can go there and check it out. Okay, let's do it. It's very easy. The thing to do is filling an order on Etsy. So I will go to my page, and when you come here it will show you when you have an order. It will show you right here. When you click on it, it will pop up here the information for you. So someone order what size? Okay, someone order one of my dresses, the 2XL size. Okay, it's going to Winnipeg, Canada. Perfect. So I will show you how I do this step. First, I will go to my stock and I will double check if I have the 2XL, the white color dress. Okay, hang on here. Okay, once we for sure have the product on hand or in stock, we go ahead and fill up this order. Okay, so we click it here and we will go and click get shipping label. So what we do over here is we double check what kind of package we are going to use and the weight of the item, which I measured it already, and the weight of my product is 0.55 kilogram, and the package I will be using is this one. So I want to buy the shipping label right here instead of going to the post office and buy it, because I get a discount anyways. So I will be paying $16.95 for the to ship this product, and the buyer is not gonna pay anything. It's me paying over here because it is free shipping. Okay, I want to edit this 3120. Sorry guys, I'm updating my address here. Okay, save. So we just make sure the address of the buyer is correct and stuff, and you click on review your purchase, and Canada Post automatically will generate a sticker for our package. So we click purchase. Okay, now we can print from this page. We can print the shipping label, also the print package slips. The package slip is showing the customer's invoice, so you can put it in the package when you ship it. Okay, so let's print the shipping label. So right now I will be using the Dymo label printer. I will be showing you in a minute, but I will be start printing it now. For some reason my Dymo printer is not working, so what I will do is I will print it with a regular printer. For now I will use my HP printer. And also we go back to Etsy. Sorry, we go back to Etsy page and we print also the package slip, the invoice, and it looks like this. So we will be printing this as well, and I'll be right back. So once we print our packaging slip, it looks like this. So what we do is, this is the tracking number over here. So we will be providing this number to the Etsy customer so they can track their product. And also the invoice looks like this. It will show the total, how much the person pay your customer, and it has all the information on it. When you print it, two invoices will come out, but one is for you to keep it. So what we will do is, I have my package here. This is the dress I'm selling to.